Hello and welcome. My name is Abu, and in this lecture I'll teach you how to instruct search engines not to follow the links on your page. Normally this can be done simply using HTML's meta element. For example, here I opened up the HTML document I created for this lecture called example.html. Inside the head element I'll add one more meta element with the name attribute equal to robots and the content attribute equal to Nofollow, and then I'll close this meta element. This will instruct all the search engines not to follow the link on your page. But if you want to set this up for a specific search engine, it is also possible. For example, if you don't want Google search engine to follow the link on your page, you can simply change the value of this name attribute from robot to Googlebot. Googlebot is the user agent name for Google search engine. In case you are not using Google search engine, I listed some of the most popular search engines user agent name in the description below. You can just replace the user agent name of the search engine you are using with the Googlebot here. Okay, that is how you instruct search engines not to follow the links on your page. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comments below.